It's like it's just too much.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Well, go see what's Santa brought.
It's just a little float.
Chloe, what about your snake over here? Chloe.
I bet that's for Chloe.
It is. Watch out.
Trying to get bit by a snake.
What? It doesn't work. No, I'm sure there's batteries in there.
Santa wouldn't do that.
No, Santa wouldn't give you